What if I told you that the thing stealing your time every day isn't just wasting your hours, it's quietly rewiring your brain? Every scroll, every swipe, every just one more video is training your mind to crave distraction. But here's the good news, you can reverse it. And today I'm giving you 15 powerful hobbies that don't just replace scrolling, they rebuild your focus, your creativity, and your life. No fluff, no unrealistic advice. These are simple, real hobbies. Things you can start today that actually change how your brain works. Let's get into it. Segment 1, break the dopamine loop. First, you need hobbies that slow your mind down. Number 1, reading, not scrolling headlines, actual books. Reading trains deep focus again. Start with just 10 minutes. Number 2, journaling, write your thoughts, no filters. This clears mental noise and builds self-awareness. Number 3, walking without your phone. No music, no notifications, just you and your thoughts. This is how your brain resets. Number 4, meditation. Even 5 minutes daily can rewire your attention span. It's not about emptying your mind, it's about noticing it. Segment 2, create instead of consume. Scrolling makes you a consumer. These hobbies turn you into a creator. Number 5, drawing or sketching. Doesn't matter if you're bad. It's about expression, not perfection. Number 6, writing stories, ideas, even random thoughts. Creating builds mental strength. Number 7, learning a musical instrument. It forces patience, coordination, and deep focus. Number 8, cooking. You're not just making food, you're building a real-life skill. Number 9, photography. Start seeing the world differently. You begin to notice details instead of distractions. Segment 3, build mental strength. Now, hobbies that challenge your brain. Number 10, puzzles or chess. These sharpen thinking and problem solving. Number 11, learning a new language. It literally builds new neural pathways. Number 12, DIY projects. Fix something, build something. Your brain loves solving real problems. Segment 4, move your body, reset your mind. Your mind follows your body. Number 13, exercise or home workouts. Even 15 minutes boosts focus and mood. Number 14, yoga or stretching slows you down and reconnects you to your body. Number 15, dancing. Yes, dancing. It's fun, freeing, and surprisingly powerful for your brain. Here's the truth. You don't need more time. You need better habits.